Welcome, my name is Peter. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to click the like button and also make sure you subscribe so you will receive all future amazing little short videos about how to be profitable in crypto and also US30. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about this US30 4 p.m. reversal, and to be honest, this is my favorite strategy because you don't care what's happening to the market. The market could be dropping, it could be falling. All you do, you want to get your 100 points, you've got your target, you're waiting for 4 p.m. UK time, and then you analyze, you learn how to identify the reversal. If it happens, you are a winner. Even when everybody is betting in the other direction, you still can make profit because you have identified the reversal at 4 p.m., which is constantly repeating. Like possibly today, we might have this situation again. So I'll be looking out again today with my US30 reversal, and I will try to make again 100 points. Look, if it doesn't happen, I will have a stop loss. I will take less risk than I would be taking right now if I open a position. That is a big difference. I wait for the market to come to me. I've got my target. I'm waiting for my reversal. If it comes, I'm happy. I might profit today. If it doesn't come, goes opposite direction. Let's say the market will open, it will keep going up. Fine, I have a day off, but at least I'm not in a loss. Today I would like to show you a second strategy, which is focused mainly on a breakout that takes place 7 a.m., 8 a.m. UK time. So 7 a.m., that is when Europe opens. 8 a.m. UK time, that's when London opens. Let me explain to you the rules. Just before I explain the rules, let me show you the charts, what I'm exactly talking about. Let me show you an example of US30 7 a.m. UK time strategy. Okay, so what's happening here? This is 11 p.m. UK time. That's when the market opened. It went a little bit up. I'm actually on 3 minutes time frame just to show you more clearly what I'm looking for. So what I'm looking for, you can see that the market opened, it went down, it went up, it went down again. So it's not very clear. I mean, how can I tell from this what sentiment we have now, especially after yesterday's drop? Not sure, not really sure. What I do sometimes, one of the ways I can tell the sentiment is actually I'm looking at Bitcoin chart. And let me explain to you why. So here is the Bitcoin chart. Yesterday we had massive drop from here. This is on 1 hour time frame. This is from yesterday. And this is today actually, okay? So massive drop. Lots of people got liquidated. Big losses. Lots of money lost. So what do you think today is going to happen? People lost money. Investors lost money. You think today they're just going to wake up and they're going to, oh, Lord, go on, let's buy some US30. Well, I don't think so. The sentiment at the moment is still negative. It is not good at the moment. So I'm pretty sure that when the market will open here, I'm kind of confident, especially right now. Look, we have this red dot on Magic Algo. Okay, fine, 7 a.m. I'm still waiting. And I've got my magical sign sell. And I saw that Bitcoin collapsed yesterday and liquidated many traders. So I think today we might have some continuation, at least at the opening. And let's have a look what's happened here. Look at this. Look, this is incredible. Look at it. Look at this. So here we go. This is from 7 a.m. UK time, and we're coming to, let's say, 8 o'clock. That looks good. We've got support here. And we have this green dot. Okay, something's happening. And then, yeah, so let's have a look how much profit we made today. How many points we did from 7 a.m.? We made 200 points today, just based on identify the sentiment. And remember, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., you have a breakout. It's going to go up or it's going to go down. And check Bitcoin chart just to see. I'm not saying every day you're going to open Bitcoin, you're going to have like a crash. But in this particular day, today, it was very clear that we could have a big drop in the stock market, and the sentiment, which is negative from yesterday, it could continue. Okay, maybe it's going to reverse when New York will open, but as far as now, we can see that it actually dropped. We can see that Many people, many institutions lost money in cryptocurrency yesterday, and they're not happy today. So they are selling. They are selling. They have to liquidate their assets because they've got marginal positions, they've got leverage positions. They're in a loss. They are pessimistic right now. Well, I don't know about later. Maybe at 4 p.m. they're going to be optimistic. This is the stock market. So one day you're happy, the next day you're not happy. Okay, so this was just an example here. Let me just come back to some important rules as well. Okay, so the breakout takes place between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. It continues for 1 hour. Okay, it could be 2 hours. It could be till New York opens. And then it could actually continue again. I had many cases where the market was dropping. At 7 a.m. it would just start reversing back up, and it would just continue all day, or opposite direction. The market was high up, and then 7 a.m. opposite direction. It's like, minus and plus, plus and minus. Strange. Identify current sentiment of the market. Sometimes it's really difficult. I'm not saying you're going to identify each time, but at least try it. And then if you see, let's say, it happens very often when US30 is dropping from 11 p.m. UK time, very often at 7 p.m. we have some kind of a even small reversal. Because what happens, Asia is pessimistic, but Europe is sometimes optimistic. It doesn't mean they're going to be like both pessimistic. But if you see, at 7 a.m., the drop continues. And it continues till New York opens. And then when New York opens, and it continues. And then at 4 p.m., you have no reversal. It continues. I can almost guarantee, well, I cannot guarantee nothing, but many, many times, I saw the continuation till the end of the day. So it looks like you could just wait and you could just go short at the end of the day as well. And then the final hour, you will see the market will drop 100 points as well. So that's really important as well. But that's a different strategy that I will discuss with you some other time. Okay, let me show you some other example. Let me show you another example of US30 7 a.m. breakout or breakdown. So we have like 11 p.m. UK time, market opens, yeah, it goes up, fine, this is momentum wave showing going up, fine, it's going up all the way, and we coming now till 7 a.m. our time. What we have here, we have a red dot, that's a first signal, be ready for a short, but don't open short yet. We have this trend tracer going red, fantastic. Most important, we have this sell signal, number 3. I'm almost convinced. We have this RSI triangle pointing down. We have RSI going below 50. We have this over here. Let me show you. Momentum wave going down. This is stochastic, by the way. It's going down as well. This green is money flow. So the money is leaving the asset. It started to leave here. It's still red over here. So yeah, there's lots of confirmations saying I will be opening my short around this area here. 8 o'clock this time, 8 o'clock. But look, if you want to take a risk, it's up to you. 7 a.m. If it goes down, you jump in. It's up to you. But I would wait for this signal here to be on the safe side. So let's see what happened after this. Okay, let's go. Oh my! Look at this. That's incredible. Look at this. So we made some profit again from, let's say, from here till here, till before just as the market opened, we made 190 points again with this reversal strategy. Well, look guys, it looks easy, but you need to practice. If you practice this every day, for let's say for the next month, every day, like on demo account, I can guarantee you will not be winning every single trade, but you have much more options, more possibility to be profitable than right now. If you just practice this, spend 15 minutes, just look at the times, the chart, try to identify the sentiment, try to create your strategy around it. 7 a.m. breakout is another amazing strategy which allows you to make 100, 200 points, but it's up to you how much work you will put into it. It does exist, it's there, just use it. Okay, that was my lesson number 3. Just a short description, some short tutorial to show you there is this 7 a.m. breakout strategy. And if you would like to learn more about this, I will be creating 1 hour very detailed video that you can watch every day till you master it and you become proficient with this strategy. I think it's very important to practice this phenomena, and I think it'll be better for you trading with some kind of strategy than by looking at charts and trying to guess. That's much more difficult. I personally think that trading on US30 for many can be compared as going to casino. They just go there, they just say, yeah, look, it's going up, let's go, let's put on red, so let's put a long, and then they lose and they win. However, if you have the right strategy, it's almost like you're in a casino and the manager leaves the table and gives you 1 hour slot to make profit. And that's what happens on this photo here. People are happy, the manager left, they make you profit. So your strategy you're going to be using is exactly this 1 hour or 2 hour slot where you can make profit. Otherwise, casino always wins. So please learn the strategy, use it, and become profitable trader. Thank you. Please, if you enjoyed the video and you would like to see more of those amazing short videos with these little strategies that make you 150 points per day, please subscribe and like and press the like, click the like button. I would really appreciate this. And look at this, what we have here. This is US30. We had a draw, we had a sell signal, we had the triangle, we had this momentum wave going down, and we had this bounce here, 925. Look, we have a buy signal right now. This is incredible. I will see you on the top over here. I'll see you in a couple of hours. So yes, enjoy. We have a buy signal right now, and congratulations on making the profit within the next half an hour. Hopefully. Okay, that will be all. Thank you. Bye.